All right, Chief. Make yourself comfortable.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Why is he not here? I thought you said Chikoyokata is here.
Like I said, he's here, but that doesn't mean he's seated here. Of course, he's inside the house. I'll just call him for you.
All right.
Excuse me.
Is she a muddy? The one who refused to solve his personal problems. Yeah? What are you doing in my compound?
Okata, is it because I refuse to desecrate Njikoka with you? Is that why you are calling me names?
What in the name of the gods are you doing in my compound?
Has your Delilah actually returned to you?
I asked a very simple question, Pascal Ibezim. What the hell are you doing in my compound?
Should be leaving.
I see. So you are the one who used this loser to gain entrance into my compound?
What's so special about your compound? What's so special here?
Pascal Ibezim. You see, you are still standing because I have not made you my business. But the way you are going, you will disappear without any trace. Mark it somewhere.
Anyway, I am not here for you, okay? And as for you, I've come to return this thing that you left under my bed. I am too connected with my chief to be associated with this nonsense.
Is this true?
What?
So you are parading yourself as a mafia girl, and you are actually an apostle of shams?
No, Chief. I don't know where this came from. Don't tell me you believe him. I don't know. I have nothing to do with it. Help me, Chams. No way. It's just a setup.
Hi, boss. You sent for me.
Opaka, what is going on? I need to understand what the hell is going on because you are not getting anything right again. What is going on?
I'm really sorry, boss.
That is not what I want to hear. I want to hear what you are doing. How come you're not giving me information? I need facts. Why is it that nothing is happening anymore? Why?
Sir, the truth is that my men and I are no longer working for you.
What did you just say? I mean, can you rephrase what you just said now?
I said that my men and I are no longer working for you. An order from higher hierarchy instruct us to stay away from you.
Did you mention this to me? No. Why didn't you tell me this? Are you by any means thinking that I don't have the capacity to protect you? Or are you confirming that you got another offer, better offer from somewhere? Is that it?
No, sir. It doesn't have anything to do with protection or offer. It's just an instruction that comes from a higher hierarchy. And I don't want the loss of negative dimension to fall on me and my men.
What? Opanka, Pankadi is no longer a member of any confraternity. Why are you afraid of him?
Sir, I'm not afraid of him. Pankadi just finds favor from a higher hierarchy that favors him even when he's out.
Get out of my compound.
Sir,
I said you should get the hell out of my compound. What the hell? I am going to prove to all of you disobedient idiots that I am still the fire that burns out all your useless confraternities. This is the bullet. In the next 24 hours, I want to hear news.
The boss, I have never disappointed you before. And it can never start now.
We need to turn him off to serve as a lesson to others. If you fail, I will be forced to on my own.
You don't need to conclude it, my boss. I know what you want. And that is exactly what I am going to do.
Do it.
Yes, boss.
Dad. Dad, who are we killing this time?
Stay out of my business. I am not going to warn you again.
Unfortunately, I can't. I really wish I could, but I cannot. That you're my father and I love you so much. I do not want you to end up badly.
You are the one who is already ending up so badly. That is the reason you will not mind your business. The reason you keep poking your nose into the things I do. Stop it. Melissa, stop. I may not be able to warn you again.
I met your father. Your father. My grandfather. And he told me that the worst crime on earth is murder. He told me that murderers never end well. That man raised, nurtured, and brought up so many great men. But what keeps baffling me is how you, who came out from his loins, turned out to be a monster. That's a mystery I've not been able to unravel, Daddy.
Listen to me, Melissa. The mere fact that somehow you remind me of my mother is the reason I am tolerating all your excesses. That is why I keep receiving all the rubbish you keep throwing at me. I need you. Call yourself to a closed-door meeting and advise yourself accordingly. This fact that I am always tolerating you will end one day. Look at me. I don't have a conscience.
Daddy, you need to stop. You need to stop. Stop it already.
Why am I having this very disturbing feeling that you actually invited me here to insult me? Why?
Okata, you have been insulting me. If I insult you small as a member of my age grade, is it a problem?
Could this be the reason you summoned me here?
Okata, all through your adult life, you have been a taker who has been consistently taken from the land of Njikoka. Can you at least change and be a giver?
I still feel highly insulted. And honestly, I am beginning to lose it. Honestly. What is this?
We have less than 3 weeks to the election. Chain your dog.
What do you mean by chain your dog? Did anybody tell you I am a breeder of dogs?
Dogs are pets, only when they are not violent. But when the dogs become too violent, it receives the brutality that it deserves. In Njikoka land, when we kill a mad dog, we locate the owner. For the very first and last time, Okata, I tell you, chain your dog, for your dog is mad.
Whoa. You see the way they do things.
Good to see you. Michael Anosike.
Good to see you, Chief Oliokoto.
I can see you are getting stronger and stronger by the day.
And of course, I think it's a wonderful experience.
I want to ask you just one simple question. A credible man like you, son of the soil, why will you allow yourself to be deceived by a cultist like Pascal Ibezim?
Oh, are you so sure about it? Then if you're sure, why not allow me worry about it? Yeah, Chief Oliokoto. Yeah?
When I decide to perforate men, I will first make sure that the vultures are gathered already.
You see the way they do things.
We shall see.
Honestly, Pankadi, you have to be very careful because you never can tell. That might be one of their strategy.
There is no permanent friend, and there is no permanent enemy.
Trust me when I say I don't envy you. I don't at all. Because you have too much enemies. Look, the honest truth still remains. Even riding with you now, I'm a bit scared.
Do you actually think that someone is somewhere plotting my death?
Don't be scared, my brother. Don't be scared. As long as I'm doing the right thing,
No enemy can destroy me. Nobody.
And I will keep praying for you on your behalf as a friend.
hey, my friend, my friend.
You are very stupid to actually make this call. Spyro, listen, when you were a commander, you worked for me. What makes you think you can stop somebody else from doing that now? I am still the Otipo of this place. Nobody messes around with me and goes scot-free. And who are you to make me deny anything? Who the hell do you think you are? I am in the business of sending signals. And if the signal I have just sent is not enough, I will send another one. Get off my phone, you fool. Who the hell do you think you are? Bullet!
The boss.
Come here. Ah.
The Otukpo Olokpo of the universe. I too like your way, my boss.
That's it.
And that should be because someone is down. Fill me in. Who is the victim this time?
Listen to me. Buy ticket as soon as possible and get out of this place.
Why the urgency? Why the urgency, Dad? Have you finally dragged us into trouble? Are we in trouble now? Are we in trouble now?
If you stay back asking useless questions, you are going to be hit by a stray bullet. When it happens and you drop dead, I am not going to spend time mourning you because you were a thorn in my flesh. Bullet.
Boss.
Buy more weapons.
Noted, my boss.
Weapons of war.
Noted.
So, how did you do it?
I never did anything extraordinary. I stood by the truth. And once you're standing with the truth, you always be the winner.
Well, as it is now, it's just for you to declare your candidate the winner, as there is no opposition.
There is still one more person, but not as hot as Chief. Uleteka wants to kill everyone.
I agree with you. I'm so happy. I mean, the tension is going down. But, on the other note, I would advise you not to be distracted with that.
Honestly, I knew there is more to this, because I remember that young man who wants my support. I never knew that things would come out like this. Of course, I'm extra careful.
Yeah. Well, in that case, let's proceed with the meeting.
Here he comes. The person we're waiting for. The person we're waiting for.
More. My boss. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please sit. Let me get you something to drink.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
I can see you already smelling nice.
Actually, you can say that.
Of course. The one the cap fits.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I like that idea.
Help yourself.
Oh, yeah. You know, there is still one candidate rebellion. And one cannot tell what Shifoli Akata is capable of. Yeah? You know that well.
You may be right. But on the other note, I will tell you to forget about that man. Yes, just go ahead and start making preparations for your victory speech. As a matter of fact, your manifesto speech needs to come out heavy.
I'll do just that.
Of course.
I'll trust me on that.
Chief, there's a news reaching me that Fidelis Okoli has stepped out of the race.
He's a fool to feel he can frustrate me. I am going to push him into the grave he has dug for himself.
Wait, does it mean you have lost? What? Yeah, because I don't think there's any possible means for you to get another candidate for an election that will hold on Saturday. It's not possible.
Ngozika, to the best of my knowledge, you are not a politician. You have never contested for any political office in your life. The closest you have come to politics is the one that I made you. So stop discussing politics at that level. You don't know anything. What do you mean?
Chief, I'm only saying, based on what just happened, Fidelis is the only link that we have towards the pulse of the local government. Now he has stepped out. How do we survive? How?
Okay, now that we don't have any access to the local government pulse, all along that we don't have it, how have we been surviving?
I discovered that you're not good with words, so I decided to stay off your path.
Your opinion is so valid. But after our last meeting, one would think that, you would have taken my advice and, go get a life, like I said. Are you still here?
Why am I still here?
Don't you have brains in your head?
No, don't you have brains in your head?
I'm sure you don't, because if you did, you would know I'm here for your father. I'm his lifeline. If I leave, he dies. You should know this.
What's so funny?
You are my father's lifeline. And if you leave him, he will die. The same thing he tells those useless girls that throw themselves at him. Really? Hell. Oh, one name. Ifenkili.
Wait, sorry. Are you by any means telling me he has other women?
Ifenkili. Omotosho. Doctor's prescription. 3 times a day. Finlicha. Very fair, tall lady.
goodness. How can I just avoid this witch? God.
Fidelis Okul, who advised you to take such a weak and very stupid decision that you took? Who advised you?
Nobody advised me. It's not obvious you've lost the battle.
Huh?
Yes. The only mistake I made is going through you. I would have gone through Pankadi.
Wait. Are you by any means referring to me as a failure? Is it my fault in any way that you are a really livered, faint-hearted chimpanzee that will run away in the face of challenges? Is it my fault?
All I wanted to do is to serve my people. Before I realized that you have no such intention. So I decided to step down to protect my reputation, my integrity, so that next election, I will know people to align with.
And I am telling you here, to your face, that you have finally lost the chance of becoming the chairman of our Njikoka local government council. In the so-called coming election that you're already preparing for, let me tell you, even if you manage to make angels your campaign managers, you will never be the chairman of this council. Go and mark it somewhere.
Chief. You always speak like you are God, but you are no God.
Huh.
Let me tell you, all the people you've killed in this community definitely must come after you. Mark my word, put me anywhere.
Are you referring to me as a murderer? No, is that it?
Chief, that's what you are. And be ready, Bacchus. Your daughter definitely will testify against you in the law court. Chief, is that bad? Yes.
Boss, should I not take him out once and for all?
Don't worry yourself. I will handle him when the time comes. And I will handle him my way.
Okay, boss.
Wagawa. Even your bow rope, but I don't milk your bamboo yellow.
You see the way they do change.
Oh no, see, it's obvious now that Chief Oliokata evil in this land is everywhere. Is it not better we brief the various leadership of the youth to deal with him?
Ichi Amadi, once you see a drowning man, leave him to his fate.
What does that mean? Oh no. So we should fold our hands and let him get away with his evil? Mbano.
The way I'm seeing it, the forces that keep watch over the kingdom are already dealing with him. Huh? Let's allow them do their job.
Oh no.
Ichi Amadi, let's go home.
You know, I was so excited this morning when I heard the news that your candidate finally dropped out of the race. That's a very brave move, if you ask me.
Yeah, same thing she said to me after saying all this rubbish. She's not even hiding it.
The question should be, why should I not be happy? I mean, I am happy for you because this will relieve you from being a politician in Njikoka for a while. And to me, that's good for you. Daddy, listen. This is what I think you need. I think you need a warm massage, like a very long one, and probably with a happy ending. And shit right there is equal to the tax. Right, darling? Daddy, take a trip. Go somewhere nice and cool and have fun. You know, Daddy, take a trip. You know, go somewhere nice and cool and have fun.
You see, there is only one reason I have not turned her off. She reminds me so much of my mother. But always, she is crossing the line.
Well, if you ask me, I kind of like what she said.
Is it that you are sick in the head or something? How can you be happy with the fact that my daughter is working against me?
Chief, she is not working against you. She wants you to leave. Just as she said, you and I should go on a vacation and maybe lodge in a 5-star hotel, like she said. Have a good massage, spa, and then we'll just be there until this entire crisis thing is over, and you and I will come back fresher.
What I think is that you are very beautiful and you are still a fool.
What did I do?
If you force me to send you out, you will not have a roof over your head anywhere you go. I am that brutal.
When they play God, they go they from say they be your guy. Say without them, nothing go happen for the kingdom.
Excuse me, who are you and what are you doing here? I'm with him, okay? All right.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, please, my boss wants to see you.
Sorry, who is your boss?
He's outside waiting for you, please.
So why then did you cover your face?
Please don't keep my boss waiting, okay? And don't worry about my nose marks. I am not feeling too well, so I don't want to infect so many people. So shall we?
Them they from say, now them own the kingdom. But this set of people of Abana, they ram. Jay, Fabundo joy and well and no bodo. Aye.
Where is he?
He's in the car.
Fabundo joy and well and no bodo. Aye, aye. You see the way they do things. Aye.
You mean you walked all the way from your house to my father's compound to ask me to be your friend?
Well, personally, I don't see anything wrong in that. Your father is a great man, and I know you need someone like me. Listen, Melissa, I am here because I know I need someone like you.
Well, I have a question for you, and I'll appreciate it if you answer me sincerely. Did my father send you to me?
I don't understand. Why would your father send a man to you?
I don't know. I'm just asking. I'm curious. I have this strange feeling, and I am only trying to clarify that. Listen, I'll say this just once. I am not, and I will never be interested in being your friend. I won't want to talk about this again. Thank you.
Why are you judging me in a hurry? I am here because I love you. That's just it.
I haven't judged you yet. But if you make me judge you, I will not only make sure that you wake up behind bars, I will make sure that you appear before the judiciary system of government.
What else do I have to do?
You see what I'm saying? He called me a while ago that he was driving in. Is that not his car parked outside there? Where then is he?
Your Majesty, I'm just as confused as every other person. Yeah, you, come. Where is the owner of that car that is parked outside?
I opened the gate for him to drive in, and suddenly a man just came in and called me out, and that is the end of it.
Did you tell me about it?
No, Your Majesty. I thought you were aware. I'm sorry about that.
Sorry about what? You thought I'm aware of what I was not told? People around the king should give him every information he needs to know. That's how king is aware of the environment. He is. Now get out. Oh no, it busts down on what I'm saying. Insecurity. I think it's time Your Majesty will start using our youth. What does that mean? There is no insecurity in my kingdom. It is not established well, Your Majesty. Men like Chief Oliokata is dangerous. He's the one causing insecurity in our community and need to be handled immediately before it becomes late. Oh, he's not picking his call. Oh.
Relax, Your Majesty, relax. We are going to sort all these things out.
Yeah, I know.
Hello, Your Majesty. I greet you, sir. How are you, sir? What? Missing? How? How did it happen? Okay, I'm coming. I'll be on my way. Okay.
Babe, what's missing?
I don't even know what Your Majesty is talking about. Michael, let me just get there. I'll be back soon. Okay?
Okay.
Let me change.
Boy, did I not tell you that I'm going to get you? And that I'm going to put you in your place. Did you believe me? Now, where is Pakade to save you? Where?
Ichioliokata, what you fail to understand is that power has changed hand. No more godfatherism in Njikoka. Alright? So go ahead. Do whatever you want to do to me. Kill me. But you cannot kill the vision I have for Njikoka. You cannot.
You are very stupid to be saying this nonsense into my face. Listen, here, where you are, I am the one who should be doing the talking, not you.
Chief Oliokata, what do you want from me?
You are too basic for me to want anything from you. I don't want anything from you, but soon I am going to decide what I want to do with you. Listen, don't give him anything to eat. Don't give him anything to drink until I decide his fate.
Yes, boss.
His fate.
Yes, boss.
Because you don't provoke me. When I move, you move.
You see the way they are doing evil in the name of politics. joy. You see the way they do the
Why didn't you leave when you were asked to do so?
A time will always come when a people will decide to take their fates in their own hands. Don't worry, you will see the change when it comes. Don't worry.
I can see you have some balls. We shall see how the balls will take you.
Whoa. You see the way they do things. When they play God, they go they from say they be your guy. Say without them, nothing go happen for the kingdom.
Chief, are you sure this is not going to backfire? I mean, you getting him kidnapped.
Well, Pascal is the target. I want him to file out in search of the one he has been deceiving. In that process, I am going to open him up and allow the birds of the air feed on his carcass.
But Chief, you are the principal suspect. Doesn't that bother you?
Okay, let us even assume that it is established that I am the principal suspect, like you say. Who is that person in Njikoka who can challenge me? Who?
Well, I know how powerful you are. I'm only bothered.
You don't need to be bothered about me, Nkozeka. Don't. And I am beginning to feel that the time has come for you to embark on that vacation. This is the time. And what is running through that head of yours?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm just thinking about how all this will end. I should be in my room now. Excuse me.
It's okay. I am not evil. I have never been evil. The people are the ones who will always push me to the wall. Now, when I decide to defend myself my way, they will say, Chief, Olinando, Udiokata is evil. How am I evil?
These are the reasons I stay away from politics. Because they are ready to go to the extreme. And I'm not ready.
But we cannot run away from politics and allow the demons like Uliokata to be taking decisions about our future and the future of our children.
But you see that young man that steps down, he is the suspect here.
Not at all. That boy is not the suspect. Chief Uliokata is the suspect. Yes, and I'm making arrangements for his arrest already.
Pascal, the very reason I called you here, what are we going to do? I don't want that young man to be killed by them.
They know what will happen to them if that young man is killed. They know what will happen to them if they kill that young man. The whole country will be too small for them.
I'm not asking you to take unnecessary risk. No.
The one who has decided to make our once peaceful Njikoka the arena of war should be the one to be called to order. That is it.
You should tackle.
Oh, you startled me.
I did? Yeah. Why have you not left the evil man? I mean, what are you hoping to achieve cohorting with a killer?
You know, most times I wonder if Chief is truly your father. You say the most damaging things against him.
Well, I'll tell you why. Those who hijack the system and let nothing work can never be as happy as they would have been if they had allowed the system to work and everybody is happy. Think about it.
You're wasting our time, sir. All the truth we said.
Yes. I stepped down on my own. Nobody forced me to. How will I kidnap a man I gave my blessings and promised to work with? How?
That promise is what made you a suspect.
How does that make me a suspect, officer? I stepped down when I realized that that man has good plans for this local council.
The location app on your phone indicates that you have not been in Njikoka for days.
Exactly. I've been in Port Harcourt supervising the job I'm doing for my client in Canada.
I don't care what you went there to do. But how come you came back yesterday and that same yesterday, this man was abducted?
Officer, haven't you heard of coincidence before? It's just a mere coincidence, officer. Like I told you before, I have no hand in that adoption.
I put it to you that you left to finalize your plan. And after your gang members have given you the assurance that they have him, you returned.
Officer, no matter how much you put it to me, that can never make me guilty.
Get yourself a lawyer. Get yourself a lawyer. Because even though we find him, I will still charge you to court.
That will be waste of
Yes, I will charge him for abduction.
Officer, that will be waste of time. If you like, you can do it.
You will not go scot-free. You will not go scot-free.
Have you made a decision on what you want to do?
I don't understand what that means.
I mean, like, what you will be doing with your life. Have you thought of maybe a kind of assignment you want to be doing for the network that you may present for my consideration, or should I send you on another mission?
Chief, at this point, I think we need to define what we're actually doing.
What does that mean?
Chief, you are the only man that's done to me what no other man has ever done to me in this life. I have been with you all this time, and you should not be thinking of sending me off to another man again, because I will not go. I'm not going anywhere else. I'm staying here.
And by that, are you threatening the Otibolo of Njikoka?
I'm not threatening you, Chief. All I'm saying is that by now you should be jealous. You've had the best of me, and if you're thinking that you discard me by sending me off to another man, oh no, Chief. It's not going to work. I'm not going to any other man. No more.
Does it mean that you're stupid or something? Are you sick in the head? I sent you on a mission and you failed woefully. Instead of you to be thinking on how to remedy the mess you created by not delivering on the job, this is what you're saying?
If you want to discard me, settle me.
Does it mean that I don't understand? Settle you for what? Do you think I pluck money from the trees? I sent you on a mission, and you failed woefully to the extent that a man like Michael Anosike came into the race and is about to become the chairman of the council, and you're not even aware of it, and you're telling me that to settle you? Don't provoke me, please. Don't provoke me.
Chief, even your daughter has given up on you. She sees you as a murderer. She's ready to testify anytime, any day against you. I'm the only one who has been hanging on to you, and this is what I get? Wow. Just wow.
Ndo. I'm sorry if it didn't come out well. But you should know. You should know what this network is all about. You failed on a mission and you should be remorseful. You should be thinking on how to remedy the mess you created. You know it yourself. I am not so good in managing anger. I'm sorry for what I said if you don't like it. But you should be able to know that I am not good in managing anger.
How can a man like this have a heart of stone?
Get down. Sit down.
I am sorry, I have to do my job.
Chinedu, this is no job. What has come over you? You're not a killer, but this man is making you look like one. Is it because he renamed you Bullet? He has transformed you to a monster, Chinedu. You have a bright future right ahead of you, and I want you to get that life.
Listen, stop preaching to me, okay? Stop it! Because you cannot change me.
Chinedu, please, Chinedu, I beg you. I am your sister and I've not...
But you have been sleeping with him!
Okay, I can explain to you. There are some things that you do not understand, but please don't kill me. I beg you, Chinedu, please don't kill me, please! Please!
Bullet, are you sure you silenced her completely?
That was the instruction, my boss. And I carried it out perfectly.
You know, it became clear that she was trying to use the information at her disposal to hunt me. So taking her out is the best way to solve this problem once and for all.
My boss, you don't need to worry. She won't be able to hunt you from the land of the dead.
Good. You may leave now.
Thank you, boss.
Tomorrow.
All right, boss.
I don't even know what I was thinking. I allowed her to get so close and know so much. It's good she's got. Maybe in her next life, she will decide differently.
It is 3 days now, my king. 3 days. What are we going to do about it?
What is your suggestion?
If the police cannot arrest Chief Okata for questioning, when we are aware he is the principal suspect, then let us invite him and force him to swear on the staff of the kings.
Oh, no. I would rather allow the police continue and conclude the investigation than to allow a notorious criminal who is waiting for the gods to rise against him to come anywhere close to the ancient staff of my fathers.
You have a point, my king. But we cannot allow that promising young man to be killed.
If his chi has not approved his death, 1 million Okata cannot kill him.
No one asked me to step down. I did on my own. So what will I gain if I harm or kidnap him after I step down? The accusation was wrong.
I wasn't the one who accused you. The police did. For a reason best known to them. They said you were a suspect.
So why haven't they picked up the main suspect?
That was the same question I asked the divisional police boss, and he said the investigation is still on. I did not know. They cannot arrest the man. From what I see, they are very afraid of him.
Afraid of him? Why is this country like this? Afraid of a man when someone's life is at stake? How?
Are you sure about this?
Your Majesty, the person who called gave the detailed information. Chief Okata is the criminal here. And you have to use your office to invite the Commissioner of Police and get him into work. His plan is to hold Michael until the election is over.
And now he's nowhere to be found. He will still win the election.
And Chief Okata will have a reason to kill him. Let us arrest him now and hold up his evil plans.
Fidelis Okoli, I know you will be wondering why I invited you over. I called you because Michael Anosike is no longer in the race. So I need you to issue a press release today saying that you are back in the race. And everything, trust me, once you issue that statement, leave the rest to me, everything will fall back in place. And we can pick it up from there.
Chief, I am not one of those men that go back on their vomit. I have left the race. I am no longer interested. No going back, Chief.
Fidelis Okoli, I need you to understand that this is politics. It has gone beyond what you want as an individual. This is politics. And you have to play politics in line with the rules of the game. The election is in few days. In line with the rule, I can no longer present another candidate now. It is too late. You are my candidate. And that is why I want you to make yourself available by issuing this press release that you are back on the race. Just do this and allow me to do the rest.
Chief, I am no longer interested. I am no longer interested. You are not going to force me to present myself. It's not possible. I am no longer interested. Is that so difficult for you to understand?
What I understand is that you are no longer interested to do the job. But please, can you present yourself for this election?
As a statue, or what?
We are going to win it and then you will stay out. Leave it for me.
And my name will be there. Later, I take the blames.
We are the people that are running here.
Chief, I'm no longer interested.
What is wrong with you? I mean, why are you creeping around at this time of the night? Why have you not go to sleep?
Are you scared of something? Are you sure you're okay?
Are you sick? Scared of who? Why are you not sleeping?
That's not the question. Why are you sneaking around? Why are you sneaking into your own house if you're not scared of anything?
Scared of who? Scared of you? I don't even have the time for this.
Well, the police were here.
What did you just say?
You heard me. The police were here. They came here this evening. They were right here in this house. Not those regular boys, not those ones you've already bought over. I'm talking about Ogbonge police from the capital. They were here.
And what did they come here to do? I hope you didn't listen to them.
Of course I did. How would I have visitors and not attend to them? Dad, I don't know why they were here, but I'm sure you'll find out by the time you call the number on this card. Yes, in your own best interest, I urge you to call them. Here, Daddy, I'm tired. It's been a long day. Rest. Good night.
What kind of useless daughter do I have? Why in this world will she receive any paper from the police? Now these useless officers will say that I have been served. What kind of nonsense is this?
I know you're not going to believe me, but that is the truth. I graduated with a first class in policy management, and it was due to unemployment that I accepted a job offer from Chief Oliokata. Little did I know that I was lured into some kind of job that would have taken my own life.
So why are you telling me all this?
Kati, I'm telling you all this because I want you to forgive me. I'm very sorry. I was commissioned into your life to get informations for Chief. I'm sorry.
I figured it out. That's why I was technically with you.
But you were so nice, loving, and you acted mature from day one. And that was what made me lose all the meanness in me. I did not give Chief any information concerning you because I loved you from the very first day we met.
Because you can stop sounding in a pitiful voice. Nothing can ever connect us again. Nothing.
Well, I'm already dead to Chief. Because he thinks I'm dead by now. And that's why I need someone like you to be able to stand again. Please.
First of all, I just want to thank you for calling to tell me the person that is involved in the abduction. Chief Uliokata will go in for the crime of abduction. So he shouldn't be the cause of your worry.
Wait, does that mean you have forgiven me?
If I still have anything against you, I won't be here with you. But the thing is that we just have to understand each other. You just have to be you, and I'll be me. Nothing attached anymore. Okay?
Dad, I am curious. The police invited you, but you've not told me why they did. Please tell me.
Melissa,
Sir?
if there is ever a time you are going to prove to me that you came from my loins, this is the time.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
I am not around. Just in case anybody comes here, press that gate bell or knock on that gate, and you confirm they are police officers with any card to give to their fathers and not me. Tell them that I'm not around.
Ah, see. For your kata, you see, you're here. Look at you.
What is wrong with you? You son of a cow. Why are you constantly invading my privacy? What is your problem?
Chief Okam, you're under arrest for abduction of Michael and Osiki, unlawful detention and intention to commit murder. You are advised to remain silent, for whatever you say or do now will be used against you.
You are very stupid. You are very stupid to think you can shut me up. Who the hell do you think you are?
Bundle him!
I'm sorry I have to do this. Okay?
Move. Stand up!
Hold on.
Stand up! If you resist arrest, I'll shoot your leg. Stand up!
He's not resisting arrest.
Move.
What?
Sir, move it.
What? You are alive?
He saved me.
What?
Yes, we arrested him in the facility where you keep your victim. You have been escaping so many crimes, but this one, you will not escape.
Chief went too extreme this time around.
He's going in for life, if I'm not mistaken.
Babe, are you sure that man will not bribe his way out of it? He has done that so many times.
A time will come when the system will not work. And that time is now. He's going in for it. And to you, my love, thank you for everything. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for your caring. Thank you for your love. Your prayers have done it all. Just know that I will always love you.
I love you too.
I love you more.
Thank you, my elders. My king. Thank you very much. And to Odogu, my mentor, Odogu Akataka.
You see, the people are happy.
Yes, sir.
Everybody everywhere is happy because it is dawning of a new day in this community.
We have no doubt that you will deliver. Yes, we have so much confidence in you that you will deliver. My prayer for you is that you started in peace and you will end up in good health. And not only that, you are going to a greater and a bigger position in this community.
And once again, I am happy that I'm able to do it again in Njikoka. You know, I'm able to make the people of Njikoka happy once again. I am ready to bring in more development and peace, most especially in this community. Ogukoram non.
You see, when you see a true son of the soil,
yes,
you will know. When a man has a child that will take his lineage to the nearest future, he's not scared of death.
Yes,
For that reason and for all you have been doing in this kingdom, Onowu here will liaise with you to find a time convenient for you for your chieftaincy title.
Igwe is an honor well deserved. He deserves it. Hey, Your Majesty.
Thank you.